Hey guys, thanks so much for being here. In this very realistic video, I'm going to show you everything I ate in a day while trying to recover from a pretty bad cold that I've had for a week. As you may be able to tell from the sound of my voice, I'm sick. I'm definitely grateful though that I've been able to cook healthy meals for myself and Brad, even while being pretty sick. And hopefully these recipes will inspire some pretty easy meals for you to make should you find yourself under the weather too. So for our first meal of the day, Brad and I together made a big smoothie. I want to call it a green smoothie, but that's not the color it ends up turning out as. But we added lots of healthy things like soy milk for protein, some spinach, celery, ginger, limes, beets. I think I may have thrown an orange in there. Put in some protein powder, chia seeds, flax seeds, some broccoli, frozen pineapple. It's just really nutrient dense, and I just wanted to just flood my body with all sorts of good things. Hopefully help me heal and recover from this illness. So yeah, and it tasted pretty good too. Good morning, everybody. Hope you guys are doing really well. As for me and Brad, we have been down this week with a pretty nasty cold, and it just does not want to go away. It's been almost a whole week. So while my energy is feeling a little bit more improved today than it has been over the last week, I'm going to focus on cooking healthy foods today, like really nutrient-packed, immune-boosting foods, like veggie-packed, fruit-packed meals and snacks. I have like a fridge full of oranges and limes and lemons, and I got lots of fresh ginger, so I just use pretty much all of those ingredients I just said in this green smoothie, as you saw me making a moment ago. And then I don't know, I'm feeling like some sort of soup. I haven't exactly planned out what kind of soup yet, but soup for lunch. And yeah, I just wanna get the sickness out of my body. So if you have any little, I don't know, hacks, tips, tricks for when you're under the weather, please tell me, because I'm so tired of being sick. Lunchtime. I'm actually feeling like decent right now. I still feel a bit like stuffed up and nasally, you know, a little bit gross in my sinuses, but my energy is like surprisingly well today. Anywho's, I made this really good soup last time when I was sick, which I actually think was this past January when I got COVID. That was so much fun. It was this Instant Pot turmeric, beet, and ginger soup, and it was just like so cozy. I remember it being just very comforting and nourishing. It's like packed full of antioxidants, especially from the beets and the turmeric and ginger. Yeah, it was really nice. So I'm thinking of doing that again, but seeing if I can maybe, I don't know, add something to make it a little bit more protein rich. It does have red lentils, but I'm thinking of adding either more lentils or maybe some extra beans or a grain just to make it a little more satisfying, so I'm not just eating a bowl of vegetables. Ain't nothing wrong with that, but you know, I want to be full. So let's do this. So I started off by washing and chopping quite a few beets, and then I peeled them and chopped them, set them aside in a bowl, and it totally stained my hands red, as you can see. Then in an Instant Pot, I sauteed up some ginger and garlic and turmeric, a lot of turmeric and ginger. I wanted this to be like the most antibacterial soup. Anyway, added in the beets and about half a can of coconut milk and a couple bay leaves just for a little, you know, essence of bay leaf, I guess. I don't know, why do we add bay leaves to our cooking? Do they actually do anything? Then I added some veggie broth and some red lentils. I doubled the amount of red lentils that I would normally use. That was written in my recipe. And yeah, just cooked that for about 6 minutes, I want to say, and voila, there you go. It's basically done. You can totally just eat it at this point. And I decided to add in my garlic at the end because I've heard that garlic is a lot more kind of potent and strong, and it's better for you, and you get more of the nutrients when you don't cook the crap out of it. So I just stirred it in at the end and then folded in a bunch of spinach, and it was, yeah, really good. Hot. Yes. Just needs a pinch of salt. Yummy. I love how beets have like natural sweetness to them, and it just is, oh, this just goes down so good. Let's have a beet, shall we? That Instant Pot does a good job with soups. Oh my gosh, I love my Instant Pot. I added more lentils, as you saw when I was making it, and then when I served it on some rice I had in my fridge that's been sitting in there for a few days, so figured I'd use that up, and it just makes it a little more filling, more satisfying. And this is like my first real meal of the day, and I'm hungry, so I'm glad that I had that leftover rice to eat with this. Leftovers for dinner tonight. I made this last night, which is a pumpkin curry, which I actually just put the recipe for on my channel a few videos ago, so make sure you check it out right up here. It's very good. It's totally appropriate for tonight. It's gotten a little cooler, and so now it feels right to eat like warm food, and this is so good. It's spicy and it's pretty creamy. Big chunks of pumpkin and kabocha squash and sweet potato, because I was just using like little leftovers of little bits of stuff in my fridge. So yeah, I'm gonna sit and enjoy this and maybe go and watch some Netflix or something after dinner. Call it a night because I'm just kind of tired.